Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about a delicious treat that many people love, which is Jell-O instant vanilla pudding. This dessert is not only creamy and sweet, but it can also be enjoyed by those who are lactose intolerant and have diabetes. If you are lactose intolerant, you might worry about enjoying dairy products. Lactose intolerance means your body has trouble digesting lactose, the sugar found in milk. Luckily, there are many milk alternatives available that work perfectly with Jell-O instant vanilla pudding. One great option is almond milk. Almond milk is low in calories and has no cholesterol. It is also naturally lactose-free. Just make sure to choose unsweetened almond milk to keep your sugar intake low. Almond milk adds a nice nutty flavor that complements the vanilla pudding. Another excellent choice is soy milk. Soy milk is rich in protein and contains healthy fats. It is also lactose-free. Like almond milk, look for unsweetened varieties to keep your dessert diabetic-friendly. Soy milk gives a creamy texture that works well with the pudding. Coconut milk is another option that many enjoy. Coconut milk brings a tropical flair to your dessert. It is rich and creamy, adding a unique taste to the vanilla pudding. Again, make sure to choose the unsweetened version to keep the sugar levels in check. If you prefer a thicker pudding, you might want to try oat milk. Oat milk has a naturally sweet flavor and is great for creating a rich texture. It is also lactose-free and can be a good option for those with nut allergies. Just like with the others, unsweetened oat milk is the way to go. Now, let's not forget about hemp milk. Hemp milk is made from hemp seeds and is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. It is also lactose-free and has a slightly nutty taste. This can add an interesting twist to your vanilla pudding while still diabetic-friendly. When making Jell-O instant vanilla pudding, it is important to mix it well with your chosen milk alternative. Follow the instructions on the package for the best results. With all these milk choices, you can create a delicious dessert that fits your dietary needs. Keep in mind that while these milk alternatives can be great for lactose-intolerant individuals, it is always wise to check the nutrition labels. Some brands may add sugars or other ingredients that can affect your blood sugar levels. Also, remember that moderation is key. Even when using milk alternatives, it is important to enjoy your desserts in moderation to maintain a balanced diet. If you have any concerns about how certain foods affect your health, it is always best to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs. In summary, Jell-O instant vanilla pudding can be a delightful treat for everyone, including those who are lactose intolerant and diabetic. With a variety of milk options like almond, soy, coconut, oat, and hemp, you can enjoy this sweet dessert without worry. So go ahead and treat yourself to a bowl of Jell-O instant vanilla pudding. You deserve it. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.